Okay, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI video generation called Wondershare. So let's quickly dive into it. Wondershare Femoral in 2025 make video editing simple with powerful AI tools like text-to-video, auto captions, smart scene detection, and AI voiceover. The pros are clear, it's beginner friendly, fast, and packed with template and great for social media or business content. You don't need advanced editing skills to create polished videos. It may also make it a solid choice for casual creators and small teams. On the flip side, some AI features can feel hit or miss with voiceover sounding robotic and scene cuts not always accurate. Extra cost for AI credit, subscription renewal, and limited control compared to pro software like Premium Pro or DaVinci, with what nothing. In conclusion, Femoral is perfect, especially if you want a quick, creative video generation without complexity, but serious editors may prefer more advanced tools compared to this. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and make sure to subscribe for more quick reviews. Welcome.